We're being taken down to get Harrison. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Leanne.
Hiya, I'm Abby. Nice to meet you.
Ooh, sorry, Em.
Okay, you all right? You ready for this?
Yeah?
It's an afternoon of fun, so
Yeah.
in the police car, where would you like to sit? Front or the back? Back with
Yeah.
you there?
Come on then. Right. You can take your hat down if you want now. Right, ready?
You're very
Wow.
welcome. And it's yours to keep forever. And don't wear it in the shower.
We're going to do a little something, mate. The chef bought it for you. Just a little something for you, right? Just to say thank you for coming down and spending the day with us.
How did you? I don't even know who you asked.
I thought you wanted, started off as sergeant, so you jumped up a little bit, right?
So-
Already. Like, I thought you must be on the fast promotion scheme.
Oh, wow.
So,